Hey guys, Bill Delaney here. Welcome back to a live Periscope training. Looking at all the names rolling in right now. Hi Laura Bishop, Hindenburg, Lady Luck, what up? What up with you guys? Good to see you again. Hey you guys, these Periscope trainings are gonna become more and more frequent. Cynthia and I are gonna do more of them. We are actually going to be combining our Twitter and Periscope accounts so that you guys aren't having to try to figure out who's doing the training. Is Cynthia doing the training today? Is Bill doing the training? Where do I go? Who do I follow? We're going to just make it easier on you, and it's going to be at BC Delaney. So at BC Delaney is the new Twitter account. There's also a Periscope already set up, and we will be merging that direction. So you guys will be able to see that there. Also, one more announcement. If you go to BillandCynthiaDelaney.com, you can sign up to be notified of free trainings. So when we're going to do them, hey guys, thanks for the hearts. Love that. When we're doing new trainings, you'll be the first to be notified of it. So go to BillandCynthiaDelaney.com to get that notification process set up for you guys. Hello, everybody's tuning in. Looking forward to working with you guys today. We are going to be talking about third-party validation and why we use it and how we use it. So you guys can swipe right, swipe up to share it, whatever. If you're on an iPhone or an Android, swipe right, swipe up. You can definitely share this with your friends, with your team. And Cynthia and I are so just honored to be able to pay forward the things that we've learned in our 6.5 years here in network marketing. So we're super excited that you guys are joining us, and we are actually live from our living room right here. I guess you guys can see the mountains in the back there. That's what our weather looks like in Tucson today. Everyone, it's been great. We've been having some rain, so it's been awesome. Okay guys, we're gonna get started. Everybody, looks like people are joining still, but we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna keep this short and sweet. Third-party validation, why do we use it? Well, you guys, Cynthia and I have had some experience with some people that I would consider salespeople. They're closers. They're the 2% of the world that can convince an Eskimo to buy ice, okay? And what we've experienced is some of these people have come into network marketing and had a tremendous amount of success in their 30 days. We actually saw one person sign up 30 people in 30 days. Now, it wasn't one a day. Sometimes they'd sign up 3 in one day. Can you guys even imagine this? 30 people in 30 days into your business. But guess what this person had 6 months later? What their business looked like? A big zero, you guys, because it doesn't matter what works for you. It only matters what duplicates. So the reason that we use third-party validation in network marketing is so that your friends and family and the people you know and the people that you introduce your business opportunity to can see themselves doing the same thing that you did, right? Can see themselves having success doing what you're doing. And if you're this super amazing financial advisor and you can spout out numbers 90 ways to Sunday, and you know things about your products that other people just don't know, and you can use really big impressive words to really get people excited about the products, and people are just like, oh my gosh, this is going to be so big, I have to do it. And then they wake up the next morning and go, oh, I didn't think about the part where I have to be them. Or they don't get started at all because they go, I can never be you, right? So that's the purpose of third-party validation, is so that other people can duplicate what you do. Because remember what I said, it doesn't matter what works for you, it only matters what duplicates. So let's talk about third-party validation and why it's so powerful. Third-party validation comes in a lot of different forms, you guys. It can be a third-party call. It could be a pre-recorded call. It could be a webinar. It could be a 3-way phone call. It could be a home meeting. It could be a one-on-one in a coffee shop. But third-party validation is where you introduce the person to a tool or a person where they get the information from anyone but you. You're simply the inviter. They're getting the information from someone else, so that at the end of the process, they can go, you can ask the question. You can ask your friend, can you do what I did? And they're going to go, well, you didn't really do anything except show me that video or introduce me to this girl over here and she did all the work. And you're going to go, perfect, because that's your part. That's your part in the beginning, is be a professional inviter and let us do the work for you. That's the power of third-party tools. The other thing is the psychology behind it, you guys. There is just something about having third-party validation that works. And it's not just in prospecting or recruiting people into your opportunity. It's also when it comes to training, because you'll talk to your team, you guys, I promise. Cynthia and I have seen it time and time again, where we will say something over and over and over to someone on our team, and then they'll go to an event and someone else will say the same thing, and it'll just click. It just pops in their head and they go, oh my gosh, did you hear what they said? And you're going to think in your mind, I've told you that like 25 times, but just don't worry about it, you guys. Just love it, smile, and run with them. Run with that fire, you guys. Throw gas on it. It's just psychology. This business is more about psychology than sales will ever be. And so if you master psychology, you're going to win at network marketing. So keep that in mind. Now, how do we use third-party validation effectively? I'm going to tell you the number one key to third-party validation right now, you guys. The number one key is to edify your third party. Whoever it is, I don't care if they started yesterday or if they've been doing this for 7 years, if they've been doing it for 30 years. I don't care if they've had a little bit of success or none at all yet. Your edification of your third party is going to determine how much or to what level that your prospect or guest even listens to them. If you don't want to have any results at all, just don't edify your third party and see what happens. You guys, edify anyone. If they just got started, just say, hey, this is a brand new business partner of mine. I'm really excited because they have been on fire. They've absorbed this information. They know it a lot better than I do. They're going to be able to explain it better. This is someone that I see on stage in lights. You're going to know their name. This person is a mover and shaker, and people are following them like crazy. Edify whoever it is. Now, if they've had a lot of success, obviously, use that success. One thing that Cynthia and I like to teach and always teach, and something that we've always done, is if you don't have your own story yet, borrow someone's story until you do. And that's something that Cynthia and I were able to do effectively in the beginning before we even had a check story. We weren't making money. We weren't making much money yet, but we borrowed other people's stories until we had our own story. And guess what, you guys? It works. So, all right, let's recap third-party validation real quick. Why do we use it? Because it doesn't matter what works for you. It only matters what duplicates. We need our prospect or guest to see themselves repeating whatever it was we showed them, right? So duplication again. They need to see themselves doing what you did. And number two is why do we do it, but how do we do it? We do it through edifying our third party. So edify that third party, use third party validation, get in the groove, you guys. Find something that's working for you and repeat that over and over and over again, because consistency is another key to network marketing that you're going to discover applies to every element of network marketing, is that consistency. So you guys, with that, that's today's Periscope. We're going to just keep knocking these things out. We're going over topics. You guys can comment below on these Periscopes. Tell us training topics that you would like to hear in the future, and we'll add them to the list. We've got a big growing list right now, you guys, of topics that we're going to be sharing with you, and we're going to share from our experience of what we've learned, and we're going to pay this forward through Periscope. We're going to be posting these hopefully soon. We're getting up to speed on that. What we want, you guys, is for you guys to have this literal library of training that you and your team can go to at any time you want and get all the free training that you could ever need or desire to build your business. And so you guys go to BillandCynthiaDelaney.com, get signed up to be notified so that we can let you guys know when these trainings are going to be coming up or when new training materials are available. And then be sure and follow at BC Delaney on Twitter and Periscope, because Cynthia and I are going to be merging into that one account so that you guys can find this easier, right? So with that, you guys, signing off for today. Love y'all. Appreciate you.